Hello, and welcome to English for Beginners. Is this a cup? No. This is a cup. This is a glass. Is this a clock? No. This is a clock. This is a watch. Is this a table? No. This is a table. This is a desk. Is this a t-shirt? No. This is a t-shirt. This is a shirt. Is this a bath? No. This is a bath. This is a shower. You can drink from a cup or a what? A glass. You can tell the time with a clock or a what? A watch. You can sit at a table or a what? A desk. You can wear a t-shirt or a what? A shirt. You can get a bath or a what? A shower. Is this a book? No. This is a book. This is a paper. Is this a sandwich? No. This is a sandwich. This is a burger. Is this a chair? No. This is a chair. This is a sofa. Is this a knife? No. This is a knife. This is a fork. You can read a book or a what? A paper. You can eat a sandwich or a what? A burger. You can sit on a chair or a what? A sofa. You eat with a knife and a what? A fork. Is this a boy? No. This is a boy. This is a man. Is this a girl? No. This is a girl. This is a woman. Is this a wife? No. This is a wife. This is a husband. Is this a bus? No. This is a bus. This is a train. When you're 5, you're a boy. When you're 35, you're a what? A man. When you're 5, you're a girl. When you're 35, you're a what? A woman. A married woman is a wife. A married man is a what? A husband. You can go on a bus or a what? A train. This is my watch. This is our house. You say. Our car. Our sofa. Our piano. Her bedroom. His bedroom. Our kitchen. My shirt. Your paper. Their house. Your table. His desk. Her clock. Your school. Their cat. Your city. That's it for today. Thanks for coming, and see you again next time. Goodbye.